Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to a VPS. Download and install the Zerotier application on your computer. Open the Zerotier application after installation. Create a Zerotier account if you don't have one by clicking on the sign up option. Once your account is set, log into the Zerotier web console. Note down your account's network ID from the Zerotier console. On your VPS, install the Zerotier application. You can usually install it using the command line. For a Debian or Ubuntu server, use the command sudo apt install Zerotier 1. For CentOS or Fedora, you can use the command sudo yum install Zerotier 1. Once the installation is complete, start the Zerotier service on your VPS. Type in the command sudo system to start Zerotier 1. Next, join your VPS to the network by typing sudo Zerotier CLI join your network ID. Replace your network ID with the actual ID you noted down earlier. Head back to the Zerotier web console to see your connected VPS. You may need to authorize the VPS connection in the network settings. Once authorized, check the assign IP address for your VPS in the Zerotier console. Now, install the Zerotier application on your home computer if you haven't done so already. Open the Zerotier application on your home computer and log in. Join the same network using the same network ID as your VPS. Return to the Zerotier web console and authorize your home computer's connection. After authorization, take note of the assigned IP address for your home computer. To test the connection, open a terminal on your home computer. Ping the IP address assigned to your VPS to check connectivity. If the ping is successful, your connection is established. To access your VPS, use an SSH client with the VPS's Zerotier IP address. Open your preferred SSH client and enter the IP address. Log in using your VPS credentials. You are now connected to your VPS from home using Zerotier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.